Hi and welcome to Showsel's classes. You can WhatsApp or call us at the number given on the screen for any doubts, queries, or for full videos on our courses. Let us see our first question. An economy comprises of consolidated household sector, a firm sector, and a government. The household supplies labor to the firm produces a single good by means of production. We are given this. And maximizes profit, also a profit function has been given. Now, where P is the price of Y and W is the wage rate, the household, besides earning wages, is also entitled to the profits of the firm. Now, the household maximizes utility given by the following utility function. And the symbols have the usual meanings. The term DL denotes this utility from supplying labor, with D double dash and D triple dash given greater than 0. The household budget constraint is also given, where the usual meanings of the symbol applies. Also, we have the budget constraint given by this. Now we need to prove the following two. Let us start off by proving dy by dj belongs to 0 and 1 and government expenditure crowds out private consumption. Now from the equations and the question, we have the producer's profit function and the producer's constraints, as well as the utility of the households and the constraints of the utility. Now government's demand for final goods is given by m minus m bar equals to pg minus pt. Now private demand of the final good plus government demand equals to supply of the final good, that is y equals to private plus public demand, or private demand plus government demand. The demand equals to supply in input market and money market. The market clearing conditions in labor market and money market gives us the equilibrium. Government budget constraint is thus maximized, and also the utility maximization problem is met. Therefore, given the exogenous variables g, m bar, equilibrium of the above economy consists of this be eq w comma p and the endogenous variables y, c, m, t, pi and l, such that the above mentioned conditions hold. Now we'll write the conditions for the firm's pi max or profit maximization. Therefore y equals to fl, f dash l is equals to w by p, and pi is equals to py minus wl. For household, however, this will be utility maximization, that is pc plus m plus pi plus m bar minus pt. Therefore m is equals to pc. Therefore d dash l is equals to w by p into 1 by 2c. And we have the government's budget constraint as m minus m bar is equals to pg minus pt. Finally, the market clearing conditions y equals to c plus g will be applied. Now we'll see what the market clearing condition holds. Therefore y is equals to fl, that is f dash l is equals to w by p. Now pi is equals to py minus wl, or pc plus pc equals to wl plus pi plus m bar minus of pt. Therefore d dash L is equals to W by P into 1 by 2C. Now PC minus M bar equals to PG minus PT, that is Y is equals to C plus G. Now we will eliminate T from the system by substituting PT equals to minus PC plus M bar plus PG. Therefore D dash L is equals to W by P into 1 by 2C, and Y is equals to C plus G. Now we will eliminate pi by substituting pi equals to Py minus WL. Thus we do the same process and also getting the same answer. Now differentiating the above system with respect to G, and we will eliminate W by P by substituting W by P is equals to F dash L. Thus we get the following. Now we will eliminate dc by dg and then solve for dy by dj. I'll do all of this calculation in just a second, so please keep checking each and every step I do. Thus first we have eliminated dc dj and then we have solved for dy dg. I'll give 2-3 seconds on this, then I'll change the page and give you the answer. Thus the above follows if dash L greater than 0, if double dash L less than 0, d double dash L greater than 0. Since dc by dg equals to dy by dg minus 1, we get dc by dg less than 0. You can contact us at this number via WhatsApp or call for any doubts, queries, or for full videos. That was the end to that question. Please like, subscribe and stay tuned as we will be solving more such questions.